Is that persistent cough and cold making you miserable every season? I used to dread seasonal changes, always caught in a cycle of congestion and sore throats. Nothing seemed to truly work, just temporary relief that never really cleared things up. Then I discovered Hamara Remedies, Joshanda Nazli syrup. This Unani remedy is amazing. It's packed with Power 2L natural ingredients like mulithi and gauzaban. It genuinely helps clear phlegm, eases breathing, and soothes my sore throat instantly. It's a safe and effective way to support respiratory health, truly a game changer. If you're tired of suffering, grab your bottle today. You won't regret it.